Consolidated Truck Parts and Service. Superior service, superior speed, superior technology. Considering that today's trucks constantly evolve, we continually invest in the newest equipment, technology, and training to keep us and you at the cutting edge of diagnostics, service, and repair. For example, our state-of-the-art lifting equipment allows our technicians a top, bottom, and underside view of your vehicle. We can then effectively perform our complimentary 55-point inspection as well as determine the real cause of the problem. We have discovered that in many cases there is a hidden cause or causes for the failure. For one of the fastest turnaround times in the industry, we maintain an extensive inventory of the most common rear ends, manual and Allison transmissions, PTOs, and transfer cases. We can also rebuild or repair your unit in one of our climate-controlled production rooms. Our multi-million-dollar inventory of the highest quality repair parts, combined with an investment in the latest computer-aided diagnostics, also ensures a quick return of your vehicle to proper performance. We meticulously handcraft, balance, and repair drive shafts to your exact needs or to factory OE specs in our state-of-the-art machine shops. Our 2 computer-controlled transmission dynamometer test stations represent another tremendous investment which guarantees a properly remanufactured, trouble-free Allison transmission that performs as well as, if not better, than new. Our factory-trained technicians have countless years of experience in engine maintenance, rebuild, and repair. They can perform minor adjustments or in-frame your Cummins, Cat, International, PACCAR, Mack, Perkins, John Deere, or Scania power unit. Our industry-low comeback rate of 0.8% is made possible by combining these superior capabilities with the finest staff in the nation. They're dedicated, highly trained individuals who come together to share their talents, education, and experience and offer you world-class repair and maintenance facilities.